itu abete disturbed and our mindsets to karukwaba rogia bantu bakoboa gotebu bumaine.
Yes.
Could be packaged positively
Yes.
for the community. Manyenga. Onye ba package egento kirikia bangina. Kangabono kego so mi MTCs.
Yes.
With no side effect. But plants emete chintetere mboroja. Chimbanora. Chi ariko be ku style gete. Obolito bwatene. Bono kanga abana aba bamanyitene chintetere gete emete gete kangesi mekire. Kerase. Ya control this. Kanga ngaitore buna bagusi. Good packaging. Mystic powers y'abantu babwate agukurangiri. Kigwatindikiro. It was positive. Chinguru chiri iyo tuachita tukaita abantu bakobo agochikwane ase injo baro kweri tomo
Omoroni.
Which was very dangerous. Abagaka bari bamanyire ko koreta abantu igo. Utindo kora abantu. Utari korema. Chinguru chiri, imagine if they could be packaged.
Yeah.
Tuchitware totebi guna chigo kore emirimo positively.
Yes.
Watere nase block chiri. Gwatumia chinguru chiri kwa banga maganari kwa kesimiti enyombe ko
abuna abaturumi
Agili abo.
Omoturumi.
No, we are looking at again the moko positively.
Yes.
Not from the negative aspects moko chibekire bi
Ngabono emukega atebe ngenyombe ye ababekega eti
omoturumi yako yeri
naende abagusitwa egocha ko bani chibesa chinyinge sana gutumia chinguru chiria ekyaro nya nugo sarie gento yo kware ko yakanu chibesa ko yiri nyumba ogo tenenaiga kwa nyerigereri yabo muchanga. You know, look at that power.
Oh yes.
Positively used.
Mystic powers.
Because we live with nature. And the nature has so many powers. When our people understand the tandemness and the living with the heartbeats of the earth,
yes.
Maybe to be raw. Asobonga ko bwamwanya gitinge go somugusi. Omanyenga kiki. Omaeta machiko yo mokoro ase bintu togokora. Ama chikari abekire. Abe no kurutobo o amaroba. Abe no kwaru kana machikaye. Ocho will tell you.
Yes.
Asaba gusi. Nga kirari chiko ndi abwate nature in it.